Welcome to the new video. Today's video is about classroom. So, let's start.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
We all are fine, teacher. What about you?
It's a pleasure to me. I am fine too.
Sorry, teacher, I am late. May I come in?
Anna, why are you late today?
Sorry, teacher. I did not wake up timely, that's why I am late.
Okay, Anna. Take your seat and don't be late again.
Thank you, teacher. So kind of you.
Can anyone tell me, what day is today?
Today is Monday, teacher.
Very good, Anna. You are right. Did you do all your homework?
Yes, teacher. We did it.
Okay, let me check it. Please open your English textbook at page 30. Today, we will discuss about 12 months. Anyone can tell us the names?
Yes, teacher. I know the names.
That's great. Please tell us the names.
These are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December.
Thank you, Anna. You are genius.
You are welcome, teacher.
Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.